What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to get the crossbow and use it in Valheim. So the crossbow comes when you're in the Mistlands, which is generally after Yagluth, which is the boss of the plains. Once you're exploring the Mistlands, you'll find some Mistland dungeons or mines, whatever. There'll be like some marble structures where you go down some stairs, and then you'll be able to find some chests that have these black cores. As you see, they're required to make this black forge, so you need black marble, Yggdrasil wood, and black core. All of those are found in the Mistlands. So once you're able to craft this black forge, then you can actually make the crossbow. I'm not going to show you where to get every specific material there. There are more guides online, but generally you'll need to find those black cores. Those are the hardest thing to find, and those will be in the dungeons in the Mistlands. So once we got the black forge, you'll see, if you scroll down, you'll see the Arbalest. So that's what the crossbow is called. You need 10 wood, 8 iron, and 4 root to craft it, and then you can also upgrade it after you've crafted it. So I already have mine up here, so I don't need to craft it, but I do need to make some bolts because this uses bolts instead of arrows. So you can see I can make some carapace bolts, or you can also make black metal bolts. You see the pierce difference right there. These ones are a little better, and then there's also bone bolts, which are the worst. So let me make these bolts real quick. Just make some more of these. I have the materials for these right here. So now that I've made the materials and I have my Arbalest, my crossbow, let's repair it and let's go try it out. So it's in my number 2 slot. I'll take it out and you'll see it's loading my Arbalest. One thing, as you're loading your Arbalest, you do not regenerate stamina, so just keep that in mind. And let's go find someone to shoot. There's a deer literally right there. And just like that, it just got splattered by a huge bolt. Yeah, so it shoots very quickly, less drop off than the bow and arrow, and it doesn't consume stamina when you shoot. It's only when you're loading it, you're not able to regenerate any stamina. So that is how you use it. It's really fun, you know, it's one shot, it's a lot more powerful. So if enemies aren't noticing you and you hit them with this, it does that bonus damage even more so because this does more damage than the bow and arrow does. So that is how you get the crossbow in Valheim, guys. That's how you use it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.